Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. Today I'm going to show you my Valentine's Day home tour. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. It's kind of like Valentine's Day-ish and spring-ish. So I'm going to turn the camera around and then give you guys a little tour and show you how I decorated for Valentine's. Alright, so this is my Valentine's, I guess like home tour. But I'm going to show you a few things, like new things that I picked up. So it's good to watch these videos because sometimes I pick a few things and I don't do hauls, and I can show you today what I picked up. All right, so this is how it looks. Valentine-ish, right? But then spring-ish. That's what I think. All right, so I'll show you more in detail how everything looks. All right, so let's start with the couch because I always do that. All right. So all these pillows are from Target, and so is that blanket. Some is regular Target, and some are from Opal House. All right, I just put, a little bird cage, and then I put a lantern. I had all these, and then I just put like some pink and red glass in the bird cage. All right, and then I put a love sign, and then Daisy's right here. Say hi, Daisy. Daisy's tired. You sleeping, good girl? All right, so that's why I have that blanket. That's why I have the blanket on the couch, because Daisy's sleeping there and she uses that blanket. So that blanket is from Target. It's from Threshold, I think. All right, so that pillow is from Opal House. All right, so that's how my couch looks. Don't mind because Daisy's there and she's wrinkling up the pillow. But usually I put blankets like this at the end of the couch because that's where my dogs only stay, right there. They don't go to the other spots. So it's easier for me to just throw that in the wash than clean the whole couch. So they just stay right on that blanket. Yeah, and they really do. All right. Oh. See, like this. I picked this up from Target. It's really cute. I think it's Threshold, and it's a magazine holder, and I thought it was really cute. So that's one new thing. All right, so here is my coffee table. I still gotta redo my coffee table. All right. Yeah, I have to, you don't see all the little stains. All right. So right here I have, let me turn around. Okay, so on my coffee table, I have this gold tray. I think it's Opal House, but at Christmas time. And then I put the heart garland. The heart garland, that's from Target last year or a few years ago, I don't remember. And this pretty flower from Target Dollar Spot this year. And this beautiful candle from Opal House this year. So yeah, so I think these candles right here are Opal House, but Christmas. So they're not, available. So I like, because the pink I can use for Easter too. Not really red. I don't use red for Easter. But anyway, and then a box of chocolate. Yeah, we celebrate kind of like as soon as they bring everything out in the stores, and we always get a box of chocolate. So my husband brought a box of chocolate home, and that's what we do. We enjoy like kind of like Valentine's, like, I don't want to say the whole month, but at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks. As soon as things come in the store, we get chocolate and we eat it. We don't just wait for that day. That's what we do. And we open it up and we just love to pick, and see what's in there. I don't know. It's just like a fun thing we do. Like you can see, look at my table. So I gotta redo it. I filled up the holes, so I just gotta chalk paint it. All right. Right here, I want to explain what I am doing. So anyway. All right, so right here on the table, I have these candles, all this chippy goodness right here, candles, and then these little, wooden chippy stuff, which I got it at, it was at an antique store. All right, so I think all these candle holders might be from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. A little wooden heart. All right, so then over here is my new thing. These are all antiques. So I picked all these up at the antique, except this. That's Opal House. All right, because my thing right now is I'm looking for gold mirrors, I just want to put a whole bunch of gold mirrors and beautiful flower paintings, you know, on this whole, I don't know what you want to call it, table, which I'm looking for another table too at the antique store. I got to find like a good price. So this frame is from the antique store. I thought it was so beautiful for, you know, Valentine's Day, and I think it's so beautiful for spring, actually for all year round. And then this mirror I got from an antique store. I think it's really beautiful. And then I picked up this little pink jar and this book from the antique store. I thought that was really cute, and I thought it went really well and, you know, goes with my theme, what I'm going with. So I don't know if you guys would like to see more of the antique things I find. If you would like, let me know down below. Tell me yes or no. Yes antiques, no antiques. But anyway, I'm in the hunt for more gold mirrors because I want to put like a whole bunch. And then I want to find more flower paintings with gold frames. So that's my hunt. So I love how this looks. I just wish that this whole table was filled with mirrors and with beautiful antique flower picture frames. But soon it will be. But this is how it is right now. I'm in the process of doing that. So, and then I hung up these hearts that are really pretty. I love these white hearts. They're from Opal House. All right, so let's just go to the mantle. How beautiful is the mantle? So I'm gonna stand back. So I put flowers, which I'm going to use for the spring. So flowers up there, and then flowers on the mantle, which I think is so pretty. I'm going to give you a closer look. This is actually a heart. You can't really tell, but that's from Opal House. This is like a brass candle holder I had for many years. I thought the horse looked nice with love. I don't know. That's what I felt. So I put the horse, I got that from Threshold last year, I don't remember. The love sign is from Hobby Lobby, and this book I think is Hobby Lobby, but a few years ago, I don't remember. And then I put the candlesticks here. I think those are Opal House too. So I think it looks good. As you can see, I'm adding more like, even like brass and gold. You know, not too shiny gold, but kind of like antique-ish gold. And then down here I have this old vintage trunk. I don't even know what kind of trunk it is, but I thought it was cute and I can just put things, and actually I use it for storage. So that's all I have, and I didn't put anything down there. And then I want to show you this basket from Target I picked up, and this fiddle leaf tree. This one is from not Target. I got this from QVC. It was a very good price. So that's a new thing. Oh wait, and this is new. I never showed you this. This I got from World Market, and it actually keeps my TV, which I'm not too happy with, but you know, we gotta sacrifice a little. You know, everything can't be for me. But anyway, so we put the TV, made my husband happy. And then down here, I used all my serving platters, which I thought was really cute. So that's what I'm doing because I need storage space. So this is from World Market. And then over here, it looks so cute. I have on my barn ladder all these signs. Kissing booth on this little stool. The garland tassel is from Opal House, I believe. And then all these little signs, hello, kiss. Some are from Michael's and some are from Hobby Lobby. So I thought it looked really cute how it turned out, and I put all these signs on here. All about love. So I thought that was cute. So basically, that is how my living room is. Okay, my bar cart's right here, but I have a video. I'll link the video and you can see my bar cart in detail. All right, let's go into the kitchen. All right, so right now we're in the kitchen. I didn't decorate too much this is what I did, and I think it turned out really cute. So I will go into detail and tell you where everything is from. All right, so this is a paper towel holder, which is new. I don't know if I got it on Michael's online, not at the store, but this is a little pricey. I don't remember. Yeah. So this little spool holder is, I guess that's what it's called, is from Hearth and Hand. And then I got these beautiful flowers from the supermarket, and I put it up there. I just love flowers. I am getting ready for spring, as you can see. This fresh baked pies served daily is, I think, World Market. And I put the garland from Michael's up here, and you can see it is snowing outside. All right. The shuttered love sign I put right here. The Hearth and Hand little houses are right there. The heart picks in there, and they look like the hearts are floating. I thought that was cute. And then right here, I have Method. I am loving this Method lately, so that's why you see Method instead of Mrs. Myers, which I love Miss Myers still. But I just love this Hope Pink. So that's what's here right now, and it does smell really, really good. And it is the pink grapefruit. It smells really good. They all are. It's the same. They're all the grapefruit. All right, and so right here, the bread box as always. Then I put a little heart bottle topper, and this is new. This is a pepper mill, whatever it's called. My husband wanted that because he loves pepper, and he wanted a big one. I wanted a small one. He's like, no, I want a big one. I was like, all right. Okay, in this bakery tin, I use it for storage. I house a lot of stuff in here, so which is good. That you've seen before. And then my 2-tier tray I decorated for Valentine's Day. Then I have this glass gumball machine. Actually, my sister bought it for me many years ago, but I still have it. And I filled it up with conversation hearts, which is really cute, I think. All right, and then I have the XOXO from Target Dollar Spot and the XOXO rolling pin from Target Dollar Spot. I don't know, last year, the year before, I don't remember, but I love to put that there. That looks cute. So right here is some vintage finds. So yeah, the Maxwell House coffee is new. I think that's like a cheese grater. I don't know, some kind of grater. So that's a vintage grater, and then this is a vintage scale I've showed you guys, and this one is not. It's from Michael's. So that's how I decorated here. I thought it was cute. And then I have this cookbook. Actually, I just got this cookbook. I really, really like it because it's very informative, and I think everybody that cooks and bakes should have this. And it's the updated version. So I like it because any questions you have, you know, from baking from scratch, it has everything in here. So I think everyone should have this cookbook. Yeah, it's more like an informative cookbook. Like any question you have, it's in here. I love the way it looks. And then it has like little, you know, dividers and sections. So this one's new. So I keep it right here. All right, and then right here is my little nook in my kitchen. I always decorate. I still have the pillows from Christmas, so that's great. And then I have a chicken wire, what do you want to say, vase? And then I just put flowers in there, and then I put a love little pick. I thought this turned out really cute. And these flowers from Michael's, and they look really real. All right, so how'd you like my Valentine's Day house tour? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like this can be like for spring too. What do you guys think? So if I take the heart things out, and I think it could be great for spring. All right, guys, so let me know down below if you liked my Valentine's Day house tour, and let me know what was your favorite spot, how I decorate, and let me know if you decorated for Valentine's Day, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, guys, because it shows me that you like these videos and it helps my channel out. All right, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.